Hi there and welcome back to Eloquens. Today we'll be looking at a new case study, Eloquens author Marcus Small. As you know, many smart financial models and methods are only used a handful of times. However, there exists a high demand for these smart models for time saving and knowledge building purposes. By opening an author channel on eloquens.com, Marcus Small is helping hundreds of finance professionals to prevent them from reinventing the wheel when it comes to building KPI dashboards and financial models. Marcus is a founder of thesmallman.com, an award-winning Excel website, whilst also being an expert Excel trainer for CPA Australia. On Eloquens, Marcus shares a number of models ranging from KPI dashboards to introductory Excel VBA video courses. To quote Marcus, Eloquens is a proven platform which is very simple to use. I upload my material, make expansive descriptions, and then publish on the site. It couldn't be simpler. Eloquens takes care of everything, and I highly recommend the site. Marcus also uses Eloquens iframes to build visually pleasing aesthetics on his website, in turn driving high quality traffic to his shared premium models and videos on the platform. So, to summarise, the main benefits of Marcus sharing his models on Eloquens are a centralised author channel enabling him to share Excel files, video tutorials and methodologies, generating a passive revenue stream from his best work, the opportunity to gather feedback on his channel and communicate with users. If, like Marcus, you'd like to open an author channel, simply go onto eloquens.com and click on Publish a Tool. The step-by-step process is very simple. You'll have your first model published on the marketplace in no time. We look forward to seeing you soon on eloquens.com. Happy publishing!